Hello, everybody. I'm Dave. This is Cooking with Papa. We're gonna make some chicken Alfredo. I got 1.25 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast.
Yeah.
And we're getting ready to boil that and get it cooked up. I'm gonna put some Italian seasoning in it, some salt and some pepper, and boil it and get it done. And then we're gonna cube it and go from there. But I got some nice little planks, boneless and skinless, like I said. We're gonna put those in here. We got 4 of them, so that'll make a nice chickeny.
Good on 7. You look pretty.
So we got that there. Raw meat, wash your hands. Always remember that. Anything you handle raw, eggs or meat, you gotta wash your hands. If you don't want to get it anywhere and make anybody sick.
Yeah.
Alright. Now we're gonna put some salt, kosher salt, some black pepper, some Italian seasoning in this, and let it boil and cook. And my dog just hollered and said she agrees. So I got the dog's approval. So I'm batting 1,000, right? Alright. So I'm gonna just pinch out some Italian seasoning and put in this. And then a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and we're gonna let it boil. I'm a firm believer on seasons. It improves everything. And like I said, kosher salt is amazing to cook with, but not for a table, because it's got a whole bunch more flavor, and it'll overpower your food. So I'm gonna let this cook, and we'll come back and we'll chop it up, dice it up, and go from there.
She's going to her mommy's tomorrow for the...
Hey y'all!
Okay. We got our chicken cooked. So now we're gonna take it and dice it. However big a bite however big a bite pieces you want, that's how size you cut it. I got the water boiling for my noodles. And then we'll go from there. Then we'll get those cooked. So we're going to slice this up, dice it up, and get this done. Bad thing is, I'm cooking this for everybody else because I don't eat this. Excuse me. But that's how you do it. Just dice it up. About like that. And I'll get this all diced up. We'll be back in a minute. I know you don't want to sit and watch me do that. Alright, here's our fettuccine noodles we're going to cook. I got the water boiling on the stove. We're going to dump the whole box in. Correction, I only used half the box. Okay, we got our chicken diced up. We got our sauce in the pan over here going. We got our noodles going. They got about 3 or 4 minutes to go. We got our garlic bread in the oven. And I'm going to put our chicken in our sauce. And we'll show you how it looks when it all comes out. All right, let's plate this up, guys. All right, here's our noodles. Woo. Pan gets hot, man, when it's on the stove. Trying to pick a noodle up. All right. Here's our white sauce.
And they live right across the grass, you know, the yard to the trailer. Yeah, they start keeping the grandkids away from them.
All right.
That'd be awful for them to go over there and they're telling them.
And you gotta have Parmesan cheese on top, eh? So there we go. How's that look, you guys? All right, thank y'all very much. We'll see you later. And have a wonderful evening.